Hello students, I am your geography teacher Shushmita ma'am. Today I am going to discuss about 8.2 Physiographic Division of West Bengal. In my first slide, I represent the physiographic divisions of West Bengal. First one is Northern Mountain Hilly region, second one is Western Plateau region, third one is Plains region of West Bengal. অর্থাৎ ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলের ফিজিওগ্রাফি মেনলি ডিভাইডেড ইন্টু থ্রি ডিভিশন. ফার্স্ট ওয়ান নর্দার্ন মাউন্টেন হিলি রিজিয়ন, সেকেন্ড ওয়ান ওয়েস্টার্ন প্লেটো রিজিয়ন, ইন থার্ড ওয়ান plains region. In my next slide, I want to discuss about briefly all these physiographic division of West Bengal. At first, I want to discuss about West Bengal. So, as we all know that West Bengal is a state of India which is located in the eastern part of the country. Now, I am going to discuss about the boundaries of West Bengal. It is bounded to the north by the state of Sikkim and the country of Bhutan. To the northeast by the state of Assam and to the east by the country of Bangladesh. To the south by the Bay of Bengal. To the southwest by the state of Odisha. To the west by the states of Jharkhand and Bihar. And to the northwest by the country of Nepal. This is the boundaries of West Bengal. So first physiographic division is Darjeeling Himalaya hilly region, which I already mentioned that physiographic division of West Bengal is divided into three main division. Darjeeling Himalayan hilly region is one of them. So Darjeeling Himalayan region, it is located in whole Darjeeling district and Jalpaiguri district except the Shiliguri subdivision. Okay, now characteristic features of northern hilly region. First one, we can say rugged terrain, deep gorges, steep slopes and sharp peaks are found here. Average height of this region is 2600 meter and the slope gradually rises northward from the Tarai region and slope of the land is from north to south. These all are the characteristic features. Next, physical divisions. তিস্তা রিভার ডিভাইডস দিস রিজিয়ন ইন্টু টু পার্টস, অর্থাৎ তিস্তা রিভার এই রিজিয়নটিকে দুটো ভাগে ভাগ করেছে, একটা ওয়েস্টার্ন পার্ট অফ দ্য তিস্তা রিজিয়ন অ্যান্ড সেকেন্ড ওয়ান ইজ ইস্টার্ন পার্ট অফ দ্য তিস্তা রিভার. Western part of the Tista river, it extends from Nepal border in the west to the river Tista in the east, and main two ranges are situated here are Singalila range and Darjeeling ridge. Some high peak are situated in Singalila range as Sandakufu, Phalut, Tanglu, and Darjeeling ridge. Darjeeling ridge comprises the Ghum hills and Menevhajan ridge. And Ghum is the highest railway station of India. And some ridges also are situated here. Those are Tagra Peshag, Dow Hill. Okay. Next, I come to the point of eastern part. Eastern part of Tista river. This region is comparatively lower in height, and the main ridges here are Durbindara and Chola. And the Rishila is the highest peak of Durbindara. And Baksha hills and Jayanti hills is situated in the eastern side of hilly region. You can clearly see here that Tista river divided the hilly region into two parts. First one is western part where you can clearly see Sandakufu, Tanglu, Tiger Hill, Darjeeling, and eastern part Kalimpong is situated, Rishila. These all are the situated in eastern part, and Sandakufu, Tanglu, Phalut, Tiger Hill, these all are the situated in western part of Tista river. Okay. In my next slide, I want to discuss about the Western Plateau region. This region comprises the entire of Purulia district and western portion of West Medinipur, Bardhaman, Birbhum and Bankura district. Structure of this region is mainly composed of granite and gneiss rocks. Physical divisions, this region is mainly divided into two parts, Ayodhya Plateau region and Purulia highlands. Ayodhya Plateau region is mainly lies in the southwestern part of Purulia between the river Subarnarekha and Kongsabati, অর্থাৎ আয়োধ্যা প্লেটো রিজিয়ন, এটি সুবর্ণরেখা এবং কংসাবতী এই দুটো রিভারের মাঝখানে অবস্থিত, এবং পুরুলিয়া হাইল্যান্ড এক্সটেন্ড ফ্রম সুবর্ণরেখা রিভার ইন দ্য ওয়েস্ট টু দ্য ট্রিবিউটারি অফ দামোদর রিভার গড়ি ইন দ্য নর্থ. ওকে, in my next slide I want to discuss about the plains region of West Bengal, where Tarai region is a subdivisions. Okay, Tarai is a belt of marshy grassland, savanna and forest at the base of the Himalaya range, which is stretching southwards to about 38 kilometers. This is the western part of Tista river, which is known as Tarai, and basically it is a plain, but some part of this region is undulating. অর্থাৎ এটি মূলত প্লেন ল্যান্ড, সমতল ভূমি, কিন্তু কিছু কিছু জায়গায় আন্ডুলেটিং. দ্য ল্যান্ড স্লোপস ফ্রম নর্থ টু সাউথ অ্যান্ড অ্যাভারেজ হাইট অফ দিস রিজিয়ন ইজ 75 to 150 meter. Shiliguri located on the banks of the river Mahananda, which is the most important town of the region of Tarai, and this is the doorway of northeastern India. Next, North Bengal Plains. Okay, this region situated between south of the Tarai Plains and the north of river Ganga, which is known as the northern plain. It is comprises Jalpaiguri, southern part of Coach Bihar, north and south Dinajpur and Malda. Okay, characteristic features of this region, we can say land slope form north to south. Eastern part is little higher than the western part. Northern part is about 75 meter high and southern part is 30 meter high, and this region is known as the Ganga Brahmaputra Doab. Rar is the region that is intervenes between the Vajrabhumi and the Ganges Delta. Okay, Rar region is a very important region of plains of West Bengal. Okay, here we can say that Rar means rocky land in Santhali language. It is lies on the western side of the Bhagirathi Hooghly river over western Birbhum and Murshidabad and parts of Bankura. Okay, height of this region is 50 to 100 meter, and this region is plain land, but some portion are undulating, mostly western part. Lowlands are seen in the eastern section, as example Howrah, Hooghly, East Medinipur, etc. Next, coastal plain. A small coastal region is on the extreme south of the state. অর্থাৎ এই রাজ্যের একদম সাউথে কোস্টাল রিজিয়নও রয়েছে। আ পার্ট অফ দ্য ডিস্ট্রিক্ট অফ পূর্ব মেদিনীপুর অ্যালং দ্য বে অফ বেঙ্গল কনস্টিটিউটস দ্য কোস্টাল প্লেন। দিস এমার্জেন্ট কোস্টাল প্লেন ইজ মেড আপ অফ স্যান্ড অ্যান্ড মাড ডিপোজিটেড বাই রিভার্স অ্যান্ড বাই উইন্ড। অর্থাৎ এই রিজিয়নটা ফর্ম করেছে বিভিন্ন স্যান্ড মাড এগুলো ডিপোজিশনের ফলে। Last one is Sundarban region. Sundarbans, as we all know that this is a delta region which is the largest delta, okay, in the world, situated in the South 24 Pargona. Okay, southern portion of both North and South 24 Pargona comprises a vast region of mangrove forest which is called Sundarban. Relief. Average height of this region is very low, only 2 to 4 meter. The region is washed by tidal water of Bay of Bengal daily. অর্থাৎ এই রিজিয়নটা বে অফ বেঙ্গলের যে টাইডাল ওয়াটার সেটি দ্বারা ওয়াশড হয়, অ্যান্ড হেন্স দ্য ল্যান্ড ইজ ময়েস্ট অ্যান্ড সল্টি। এই ওয়াটার এখানকার ল্যান্ড সবসময় ময়েস্ট এবং সল্টি থাকে। দ্য ফেমাস আইল্যান্ড অফ দিস রিজিয়ন